Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going? Wearing my little Rode Wireless Go 2 the first time, so we'll see how that is. Not even charged up yet. Okay, so I wanted to give you a couple of tips that helped me, and just a disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. I did study nursing though, some of it, but this is what helped me. I had a urinary catheter in place because I had a stricture in the urethra, and they put what's called sounds, like tools, and they widened it. And then I had to have a urinary catheter in for the last 5 days. It's just coming out today. Very painful, frankly, very uncomfortable, and that was my experience. But there's a couple of things that I noticed that helped. So they give you a large bag and then a small bag that you would strap on to the side of your leg. And I thought, well, I don't have to go anywhere or do anything. Why don't I just use the large bag all day? So I was doing that, and I would wash it in a bit of detergent and water every day, as well as the little pouch one they give you. I was washing that as well. So that was one of the tips I could give you. And so at night, during the day, I put it in a bucket and have the main 8-hour one kind of thing on me. But if you can't do that and you want to walk around, then you would have to use the small pouch and have it strapped in a way and taped in a way that it doesn't pull on the catheter itself or move around. Moving around caused friction and discomfort, frankly, as well. And so during the night, I still had to have both of the little bag and the large bag connected, because it wasn't long enough to go from my leg to the floor or even to a chair. I would put the large bag into a bucket. That's what they told me to do. And look, the other tip I had was I like to sleep on my side. It was uncomfortable just always to lay on my back. Now, some people can lay on your back, that's fine, it's up to you. But I like to sleep on my side. And I put a pillow in between my legs, carefully between my knees, and then slowly went onto my side to sleep that way. And I found that to be more comfortable in a sleeping position. Now, hopefully all the women will leave the room. You know, we're all adults here. Frankly, to have any kind of nighttime sexy thoughts was very painful, very uncomfortable. I wouldn't think about any kind of sexual activity, frankly. That might be hard to hear. Everybody's different. And I would talk to your own doctor about that. That particular thing. And I just wanted to mention that it woke me up to have any kind of, any kind of, let's put it this way, sexy thoughts or anything like that as a normal flesh and blood human being. That was very uncomfortable, and was hard to clean yourself and things like that because of just how uncomfortable it was. But hopefully it's worth it in the end. I read, depending on the procedure and the person themselves, it can be successful anywhere from 60 to 100%. So it just, I guess it's the luck of the drawer and the skill of the surgeon, right? So those are the couple of things. Drink all day. I was drinking all day. The great thing is you didn't have to get up to go to the toilet. I would empty the bag regularly. Now there was blood clots in there, which was quite interesting. And I did mention it to my doctor, and he just said like a wait and see approach. And then I read that can be normal, so maybe check with your own doctor, but I didn't really freak out because that apparently is part of the healing process and normal. But please check everything with your own doctor before you do anything. I just wanted to, mention a couple of tips because it seems this way that I get all these illnesses and try to help other people and share my experiences because there isn't a lot of information on this. And look, I hope that helps. Please, as I said, talk to your own doctor before you do anything. But those are the couple of things that helped me. I walked around carrying that thing in a bucket, the bag I'm in, and I could still get up and get drinks and whatever. Bit hard to cook when you're tethered like that, so I'm so glad I'm not tethered anymore to that thing. But those couple of tips about the pillow and sleeping on your side and maybe using the larger bag during the day and cleaning the bags, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you in the next one. Tell me what you think. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Teach us out. God bless.